The Service Organization. Lesson 2. Digital Transformation. In this lesson, we're going to consider the impact that digital transformation has on service provider organizations. We will look at what we mean by digital transformation and the impact this has on service management. We will begin by exploring what digital transformation is. Digital transformation is affecting organizations by changing business models, the ways of interacting with consumers, and the technology solutions in use. Technology is moving away from the traditional data center and into the mainstream of the organization. This requires an agile approach to development and management of technology, as services are delivered from anywhere to anywhere. New technologies and opportunities create new competitive challenges. Technology can deliver a competitive edge, and organizations need to innovate to survive. Failure to change will lead to customer dissatisfaction, poor customer experience, and reduced competitiveness. Think about some digital organizations you interact with regularly: Amazon, Twitter, and more. Digital transformation has resulted in a shift to more agile product development, releasing product iterations more frequently. These methodologies increase the flow of work, delivering more, faster. Along with the adoption of lean techniques, automation, and virtualization, organizations are able to deliver more quickly, more securely, and at lower costs. What is digital transformation? Digital transformation refers to the changes associated with the application of digital technologies across all areas of an organization, from sales to marketing, products, services, and new business models. Technology is no longer just something provided by an internal IT department. All capabilities within an organization will use technology to deliver products and services faster and more profitably. These benefits are sometimes referred to as digital disruptions. Dion Hinchcliffe is an expert in information technology, business strategy, and next-generation enterprises. On the screen, you can see a quote from him. He says digital transformation is looking at delivery channels, operations, marketing and sales, and customer care, all business models, and rethinking how that might be packaged as new digital products and services, all delivered using digital first. Digital transformation is allowing organizations to change their use of technology to reach new markets and optimize operations. Transformation is driven both internally by exploiting new technologies to improve consumer loyalty and reduce costs, and externally by changes in the marketplace and the delivery of products and services to consumers. Organizations can be more flexible, making them more responsive to changing consumer needs. Often, organizations use innovative technologies and methods to augment existing services. This is known as digital optimization. This is not the same as digital disruption. Digital disruption describes a way of doing business that is significantly challenged by new technologies or companies that have mastered them. The solutions they provide cause a shift in customer behavior and market context. Digital disruption occurs when technology is used to radically change the operating performance of an organization. Technology is used to radically extend the reach of the organization to new customers and markets. Technology is used to radically seize customers or win new customers from competitors. Competitors begin copying, emulating, and maybe improving on the use of technologies and approaches that were undertaken by the challenger organization. Examples of digital disruption include enabling items bought in store to be bought online instead. Think about the impact of Amazon on shopping habits worldwide. Use of social media to raise the power of the consumer and enable feedback to the organization directly. Artificial intelligence combined with big data, enabling services on information that can change work practices. At this point, please refer to the exercises document in your download area. In this exercise, list 5 or more challenges of digital transformation for an existing organization. For example, digital transformation might change the level of competition it is facing. Plan to spend 20 minutes on this exercise and compare your answers to those in the exercise solutions document. Before you move on to the next part of this lesson, please refer to your study guide. You will see a case study example of an organization that changed from a print medium to a digital medium and revolutionized its working practices. Please take the time to read this case study about AutoTrader and its digital transformation. Organizations need to respond to the impact of digital transformation, or they risk becoming obsolete. You might be able to think about some examples. Blockbuster video, perhaps. Technology evolutions ranging across the cloud, big data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and any recent emergent technologies are driving change in working practices. Service management needs to respond to digital transformation. To meet the requirements of digital transformation, there is a focus on the capability of an organization to be more agile, so that technology can be everywhere and services can come from anywhere. Digital capabilities and the decision to use them exist in almost every department of the organization. This means service management can no longer be the sole property of the IT department. It must be adopted across the organization. IT capabilities are still important, but need to work within other capabilities, such as marketing, sales, HR, or finance. Products and services require input from multiple business capabilities. Service management needs to coordinate the use of these capabilities. Digital transformation focuses on the consumer experience. Service management needs to play a leading role, moving organizational culture from inside out to outside in thinking, developing principles that help deliver services that are valuable to the consumer. All organizational capabilities need to understand: how does the organization enable and deliver value? What are the supply chains within the organization that deliver value? How do the individual capabilities contribute to or support the supply chains to deliver value? Click on the Next button to access your end-of-lesson quiz when you're ready. When you finish the quiz, click the Next button again to move on.